Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to level up your Smartsheet dashboards if you want to create more dynamic and visually appealing dashboards that actually help your team stay organized and informed. This tutorial will show you exactly which widgets to use and how to customize them for maximum impact. First, head over to smartsheet.com and log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, select the dashboard you want to level up and click on it. This will open your dashboard in editing mode, where you can start adding and customizing widgets to transform it from basic to professional. Now look to the right side of your screen and click the plus icon. This opens up the widget menu, showing you all the different elements you can add to your dashboard. Let's walk through the most powerful widgets one by one, starting with the simplest but often most important one. First, let's add a title widget. Click on title, then type in your heading. You'll notice you can adjust the font size, font format, font color, and text alignment to match your branding. Here's something many people don't know. On the right side, you can create an action for when someone clicks the title widget. This means clicking it can open another site or open a specific Smartsheet item, making your dashboard more interactive. Second, we can add a timeline widget. Click the plus icon again and select timeline. Click Add Sheet and choose from your existing sheets which one you want to display in timeline format. After that, you can customize everything on the right side: the default timescale, grouping options, filters, hierarchy settings, text overflow behavior, title, and widget behavior. This widget is perfect for project tracking and giving your team a visual overview of deadlines. Third, let's add a report widget. Click the plus icon again and select report. Now click Add Data to browse through your sheets and choose what you want to display in your report. You can edit the report's appearance and settings on the right side panel. This is incredibly useful for pulling in filtered data from multiple sheets into one consolidated view. You can also add an image to your dashboard by clicking the plus icon on the right side and selecting Image. You have the option to upload an image directly or pull it from Google Drive, Box, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Adding logos or visual elements can really elevate the professional look of your dashboard. Fifth is the metric widget. Click the plus icon on the right side again and select Metric. Then click Add Data and choose your file. It will display your data in a clean, easy-to-read format, and you can edit its layout on the right side. Metrics are perfect for highlighting key numbers like total budget, completion percentage, or outstanding tasks. Next is the chart widget. You can add a chart by clicking the plus icon and selecting Chart, then click Add Data to choose your file. Highlight all the data you want to graph and click OK. You can customize the graph extensively on the right side: the title, horizontal and vertical axis labels, the series, legend placement, and widget behavior. Charts turn raw data into visual insights that are much easier to digest at a glance. Then next is adding a shortcut widget. Click the plus icon again and select Shortcut. Then click Add Shortcut, where you can add a website link, an attachment, or a Smartsheet item. This is great for giving your team quick access to frequently used resources without leaving the dashboard. Next is the rich text widget. Select it, then add a title. If you want to input any message inside it, just click on the widget and start typing. This is perfect for adding instructions, notes, or context that helps people understand what they're looking at. That's it. Now, by using these widgets strategically, you can truly level up your dashboard. Just maximize the usage of these tools, and your dashboard will become both visually impressive and incredibly functional for your team. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.